Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This video will show you how to download and install code blocks. First, open your browser, search here code blocks download. Now select this option, download the binary release. Binary releases, so you can select here for your system like Windows, Linux, Mac OS. So now I am selecting for my Windows, so you will select this code blocks 20.03 mingw setup.x and sourceforge.net. Now click on this. Download has started. So the download has been completed after taking a lot of times. So now click here, show in folder, and double click here. Yes, next, I agree, next, install. And finally the installation has been completed. So do you want to run code blocks now? Yes. Next, finish. Oh, okay. The code blocks has been opened. Here you can see. Okay. So the code blocks has been installed successfully. New empty file. So you can now run your code on this.